into motion, like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say, wrecking balls inside my brain, I will scream them out tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song.
Oh man, they are on their feet.
Was turned on, started right now. I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song, and I don't really care if nobody else believes, 'cause I still got a lot of fight left in me. Yeah. Like a small ball on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power is turned on. Started right now. I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song, and I don't really care if nobody else believes. Hey! 'Cause I still got a lot of fight left in me. Thank you all so much.
She was runner-up, but now she could make it all the way.
I mean, Angelica, you are like the little boss lady that you are. You came here to win, and I can see that, I can feel that.
Gosh, thank you. Thank you, Heidi. Thank you so much.
You do have an incredible voice, and you are this little ball of, you're like a firecracker. And I can also see your hunger to win this competition. But having said that, I thought you would have taken this song and put your own Angelica twist on it, because you have the
Excuse me?
tools to do that. With your level where your vocals are so perfect, you can afford to take a bigger risk.
Oh man.
Howie, what do you think?
Well, you know, when people show up on this show, the level of competition is that much higher, just by the title. You are amongst champions. You show up and you rip the ceiling off of this theater. You really do. And you know what? That was your fight song. And if I can do anything, I'm gonna help you win this fight.
Angelica, you are going into the final.
I can't believe this is actually happening to me. I mean, I never expected this to happen. I want to thank you so much. This is a treat.
You deserve it. You deserve it. Wow, Angelica, you are through to the finals. Let's hear it one more time for Angelica Hale.
Thank you all so much.
Well, that told me, didn't it?
You are a champion.